Hey, Spangler.
Hey, Holtzman.
Turn your fan off.
Damn it.
Hey, you gone?
Hey, Holtzman?
Hey, Spangler.
Oh, so we can ask, hey, Holtzman.
Who are you gonna call?
Us.
Apparently. 'Cause I've got a proton pack.
Taylor, did you have to buy anything to wear this outfit today?
No, I did not. I already own all of this.
Yeah, same.
Show me your Spangler. Okay, so once upon a time, we did Ghostbusters for Halloween. This was more than 10 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
So we got these flight suits. I was Ray Stance
At the time.
at the time.
I have made no changes.
then-
I've not grown at all as a person.
And then the women Ghostbusters came out, and it was kind of like a moment. Because it was like, nobody makes movies about 40-year-old women who like to do science together. I mean, here we are on our world's smallest YouTube channel. So I went ahead and in-striped mine. Now, in the original, when the women got the costume, they did do orange with silver on the name. So I did the red on black as an homage. I have a prop. And for those of you interested, this is from a toy. The top of this is,
But the actual backpack?
yeah. The top is the frame off of an oscillating fan.
Oh, yeah.
With a bunch of lights in it. The bottom is a
Here.
Commodore 64 motherboard.
So it still counts. It's still retro.
It's still retro. Well, Ghostbusters
but isn't
is retro.
But the frame
Oh, it's an
is-
Alice pack frame.
is an actual Alice Pack frame, yeah. And I have one, but not. It's in the garage. I don't know. So.
Yeah. So this
What
is
was
our
it?
cosplay. And now join us, retro fans, as we play the Ghostbusters video game for the Commodore 64, the Atari 2600, and the ZX Spectrum.
Compare and contrast.
Head to head. Woohoo!
I'm gonna take these
I've got
gloves
the
off.
boots on too.
Yeah. I don't. So.
When I did the dude costume, I just wore combat boots. But for this one, I bought the boots that match. Oh, also my glasses and goggles are screen perfect for Holtzman. Okay, BRB. First up, the Atari 2600. I think we can see it okay. Ghostbusters. Okay, we want that? Sure. Yep. Mm-hmm.
All the things. Dang it.
This game is fun. That's what I'm saying. Let's try the Spectrum.
All right. Ghostbuster.
I think it's set up for Kempstone.
That's awesome. That's great! Man, he's doing a great job with the little speakers.
professional paranormal investigations, and we're ready to believe you.
Okay, so we're forming a franchise.
We do not have an account. They're going to loan us some money. 10 grand. Ghostbusting vehicle. We are only ever going to want the hearse. I mean, that's...
I guess the illusion of choice, but it's really the only option. $10,000, we're getting the hearse.
Alright. Use the joystick to control forklift.
Alright, so you got PK energy detector, image intensifier, marshmallow sensor.
It's possible this isn't a chemist thing.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Whew. Alright. Image intensifier. Apparently you can see the ghost a little bit better. I don't know.
Marshmallow sensor.
It looks like a little face. It's ours.
Press 1 to capturing equipment. Ghost bait. Traps required.
Oh yeah.
Ghost vacuum.
Oh yeah, we need the ghost vacuum. Yeah, how much money do we have left? And it's gonna. The ghost vacuum will suck the ghost up. Oh, nice. It's got a little bit of a rainbow effect to it.
Oh, that's just because it's Spectrum.
It's like well placed.
Everything. I'm spending all of our money.
What else we would spend?
E to end. Okay.
All
Now
right.
we're in the city.
Okay, New York.
I'm gonna go to that flashing building.
All right.
And now I'm controlling the car.
The hearse.
The hearse.
The Ecto-1.
If any ghosts come, we can suck it up with the vacuum. But I don't think I passed any.
Yeah, I think you have to press buttons to suck up the ghosts.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we know what those are? 'Cause I don't know.
No.
Button mashing it is.
Going real slow.
And then the bottom, the city's PK energy
Keeps increasing.
increasing.
Oh, there's
Oh.
Slimer. I'm gonna
Oh.
go up here. I'm gonna drop my trap.
Okay. Oh my god. Can I actually? Oh, that's the NPC though.
I can move forward but not backward.
Oh no.
Oh, that was bad.
Oh.
He got away. And
Did
slimed the guy.
Did you say Slimer?
Yeah, I've got to go back to headquarters because my dude.
De-slimed.
Unless I don't. Do I? This is really hard to see.
Oh, there's a little ghost.
Okay, this is super bad. Okay, alright, now we're at this thing. Your turn.
Oh.
Good luck. Walk over here, drop the trap,
How do you do the thing?
wait till he shows up. Now he's
Now what do I do?
hit the button.
I'm-
Oh, you got him!
I'm face.
Amy's so good at this.
Wow.
Amy, you got him!
I'm so amazing!
You trapped him!
Okay, now what do I do?
We've got another trap. Go to the next place.
I want to freeze him. But where's another place? How do you know if there's a place?
I don't know. There's a ghost down here.
There's
It's
ghosts.
nothing flashing. Maybe you have to go back to headquarters? No, we bought more than one trap.
It's doing that spectrum, only one color thing. I'm
Yeah.
sitting here waiting for this ghost so I can freeze him up. I don't want to go to Zool, because...
There's a key.
Oh.
Yeah, go to that
Okay.
building.
Alright.
Alright, now hold the button down and get that guy with the vacuum.
What are
You
you
really
doing?
want to hold it down, I think, to
What?
suck him up.
Well, he went away. Presumably I sucked him up. He didn't... He wasn't. He didn't come out the other
He
side.
didn't go into the vacuum though.
No, but he didn't come out the other side. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, safety first. Oh, why am I going over here? Why?
No, it's parking.
Oh, okay.
It automatically parks for you. Okay, catch Slimer again.
What the?
Oh my god, you just left.
I didn't do it on
I
purpose.
don't know, go get the key.
Okay. Oh. He just got so mad.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
These are all the hacks. Start with $100,000.
Hell yeah.
Oh, return select. Okay, cool. Cursor down. Infinite credit. Yep. Infinite min. Yep. Infinite trap. Mm-hmm.
Cheat.
Ghostbusters!
Oh, my girl. This is okay. Woo! Oh man. Is he gonna do the bouncy dot? Oh, it is! It's the bouncy dot version!
We're gonna sing along. This is the best part of this game. Ghostbusters! If there's something strange in your neighborhood,
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good,
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghost.
Okay, this makes me think skating rink. Does this make you think skating rink?
Yeah, a little bit. I ain't afraid of no ghost.
Alright, so now we're setting up our franchise again.
In that case, welcome to your new business. As
Yeah.
a new franchise owner, the bank will advance you $10,000 for equipment. Use it wisely.
Are we trustworthy?
You have $100,000.
Buy everything.
Yeah. All right. Well, okay.
All in.
2 is the hearse. Joystick. Try yours.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is fast.
Oh, yeah, wow.
We want that.
Oh,
No.
how do you make it?
Yeah. Perfect. Get some bait.
You can get everything.
Get traps. Get all the traps you want.
Yeah, because we are red.
I have no idea. We're just gonna end it. Oh, look at those graphics!
Oh, nice.
Your car is loaded to capacity.
Okay, so there's only so many things you can get.
There's a church with a stained glass window.
That's great.
Look
That's
at
like
that.
a rose window.
All right, I'm gonna.
Hey, how does it go straight to marshmallow?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, is it because we can cheat? Did we cheat over here?
Don't you have to run under him? Oh, I just went in that building or died.
Or something?
Yeah, we're in that building.
You did frowny face when you went in. Oh, are we just going straight to Zool?
I think we just got to the end. Yeah.
Oh!
We're crossing the streams, but in a good way. Okay, so if you use all the cheats,
Wow,
it just fast forwards to
That
the
game-
ending.
what an easy game.
You've made more money than you started with, so we get a more credit. This is just fantastic economics lesson. Okay, so. Oh, and we can write that down.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
And that looks really good.
That looks nice. Oh, and that's fast.
Oh,
I like
it is
that.
fast.
That's easier.
And it plays the music.
Yeah. Where's the other? No, the other one didn't for us. I don't know if that's true in general, but.
All right.
Okay, that's nice.
All right. Pick up your thing and see if you can see the
Okay.
other guy.
That is no. That's kind of neat because look, he's like
Oh,
transferred.
there. Is that you? No, I'm controlling both of these guys.
You caught him!
Did I catch him?
You caught him!
Ghostbusters!
I got him! Ghostbusters!
Oh, we did it, Now what?
We go try to vacuum up some ghosts.
Yeah, but I need a place to go.
Oh, there's one.
There it is.
Oh, we got multiple. So you may or may not be able to get a ghost. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, there's! That's a good
See,
one.
that's a good graphic.
That's a cool animation.
Yeah.
And
My heart goes out to the Spectrum. It really does. It does so much with
what it's got.
what it's got.
And, I mean, let's compare form factors. Like, you could fit, like, 5 ZX Spectrums.
Got him. Oh, I think I told it I always catch Slimer.
But did you?
Ghostbusters!
Okay.
This is fun now because I always catch
Because we're gonna
Slimer.
win! Well, that part's kind of difficult because it's what? If you don't catch him and then one of you gets slimed, then you have to go back to the home base, the fire station.
And if you cross the
just
streams,
a
you
lot.
don't pass out. Yeah, all I have to do is hit the button and get him. Okay.
This is the way to play.
I don't hate it.
Ghostbusters!
I hate that the first time I thought it was skill. And then I remembered.
It could have been. It doesn't
No,
mean you
it's
wouldn't
not.
have. I mean, no, it doesn't mean you would have got it.
Alright. So the Atari 2600, we couldn't get it to work because we were supposed to hit the little difficulty switch to get out of that menu, and it just wasn't working. Specky did fine. No music. The C64, so the Spectrum had a Z80.
Mm.
The C64 had a 6510, essentially a 6502 processor, and 64K of RAM. Now we're getting it out of the Coco2, and the Coco2 has a 6809 processor, and we have given it 64K of RAM. So this should be the best of them all.
We'll see.
That is not the Ghostbusters logo. Here, can you turn the camera a little bit? Because that's...
Sure.
What is this?
So, yeah. So this is a different version. Missile command sounds. Okay.
Why is that teal and orange? That's better. Look at his hand. He's got his little fingers.
Stabby.
What is happening? Yeah, I did not even get to tell it that I would have liked some instructions.
I mean, it was nice for it to offer.
Oh, I'm ready.
You better be ready.
Been ready. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. I don't think the joysticks are quite working. Okay.
Maybe instructions wouldn't. This is just for show. Try walking around.
I am.
I mean, like, oh, you know, side scroll yourself away from here because it doesn't seem to be doing it.
See, I think when I line up with him,
It'll actually go to the.
it goes doo-dah,
Oh,
like that, and you get that flashing.
that
Whereas
counts?
when I'm not, well, I don't know. It's
I
different because that's just a little blip, blip, blip.
buy it.
Yeah.
I buy it. You have run out of time, and the ghosts have taken over.
Taken over
Taken over the town.
the town.
Your score was 80.
Another
Would you
game?
like to do that again? Was it that much fun?
What's happening? Coconuts. Wait, what? What even is this? Okay. No. Okay. I wonder if this is written in BASIC. It is.
It's
BASIC.
basic.
Oh my world.
Wow.
Okay, I have a little more respect for it now.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, here. So
We-
I can fix that spelling error.
And we could pull out
Gotham City.
assigned to rid Gotham City of its ghosts.
Oh, these were the instructions.
I was gonna say, now we can find the instructions.
Why are we in Gotham City? We are all okay. The Ghostbusters are in New York.
Well, Gotham City's a nickname for New York. I don't mean that's
Okay, well yeah,
I mean, hence that's why they call it that in the back.
but gothier.
Right.
More bats.
Bats.
All right,
More
so
bats.
Amy,
Yes, Taylor.
who won the head-to-head competition?
Certainly not us.
No, we did not. I'm just gonna leave that up to the viewers.
Yeah.
So, this is amazing, really.
Yeah, to
Look,
do that.
this is the order that it's going in the windows, I bet you. So if you can memorize that, you can cheat. Just make it 1, 1, 1, 1.
Well, I was like, or you edit the program.
Always an option. All right. Thanks for watching.
Mad props.
All right. Who you gonna call?
We're gonna go wash the Ecto one off.
Yeah.
Take a break.
Gotta. The light is green. The trap's clean.
Go down the fire pole.
All right. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and please comment. Let us know which one you think is the most fun,
Yeah. Or if they're
or the least bad.
or what. Yeah.
Bye, guys.